The world is moving fast, but your body pays the price when you don't slow down. Stress, poor skin health, and burnout are more than beauty concerns. They are linked to mental health declines, chronic illness, and even premature aging. Self-care is not an indulgence, it's preventive health. Take just 5 minutes daily, breathe deeply, hydrate, and even enjoy simple skincare rituals. And even your skin will thank you for years to come. I'm Esnarth from FI30 Clinic Jordan Health, reminding you that taking care of yourself today is an investment for the future. Looking forward to seeing you soon at the spa.